But the most important thing is always your survival gear. Hey guys, Greg here, Bohm Tactical. I'm on a private plane flying over the Caribbean, and this is the perfect time. There we go. This is the perfect time to display what's so important to have in your private plane or in your car or vehicle or your boat. It doesn't matter. You got to have one of these survival kits. This is the smallest one. All right, the bag is completely waterproof. It's what we call a dry bag, so it's not going to be ruined by the elements. It's not going to be destroyed, nothing like that. Now let me really quickly show you what's inside here and tell you really quickly why it's so important. The bag itself, like I said, is waterproof. You've got the window so you can see what's inside. 3 rolls is what I recommend, but you only need 2 to make it waterproof. It's very easy to use, nothing that's going to ruin, no type of zipper or anything that's going to break. We've got a water filter survival straw. This can be hooked to a bottle of water. It can be any kind of water that's dirty. You just hook it up, squeeze the bottle, or you can suck right through it and actually use the straw itself to drink dirty water, and it cleans it automatically. It's a water filter. From there, we've got a 131 piece first aid kit. Okay, that's pretty self-explanatory. It's a good first aid kit, perfect size for the bag, and 131 pieces. Emergency survival shelter can also be used as a signal device. It's a Mylar blanket, all right? Mylar blanket, so it regulates body temperature. It can be used to create a shelter, so it can be used as shelter, regulation of body temperature, and also it's a signal device. If we get stranded on an island here, it's big and it's orange, I can put it out there and I can signal with either side. One side's orange, the other side is shiny metal. We've got a survival bracelet that has a fire starter, a knife, a whistle, and a compass, as well as the cordage. The cordage can all be used in an emergency situation. The headlamp is very important because it's rechargeable. You don't have batteries that are going to die. And it's got red light, it's got white light, and it's got a white light signal. So you've got a secondary signal device. You've got red light so it doesn't ruin your night vision if you're trying to not be seen, or if you want to not kill your night vision at night. And finally, we've got a pair of gloves for if you're in a shit hits the fan or a survival situation, in a beep hits the fan or SHTF survival situation, and you're gonna have to be doing some work. You don't want to either A, don't want to get your hands dirty, or you B, don't want to get calluses or blisters on your hands. You can use these gloves. Again, that's all the stuff that's in there. Really simple. It's under $100. If you were to buy all of this stuff separately, it would be around nearly $300 to buy it all separately, but I sell this stuff on my website for right at under $100, right about $100. So it's pretty much the deal of a lifetime, guys, and it is the entry level and easiest way to get into a first aid kit, ready to go. You buy it, you don't have to build it, you don't have to set it up, buy it, throw it in your vehicle, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. Bone out.